What's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing good. It's been about 2 weeks since I had this camera in my hand and filmed a video. Today's gonna be a good one though. You can see I got everything completely tore down on the front suspension of the 240, and we're gonna be completely rebuilding all this, which is super sick because it means a lot of really badass parts. Got these PBM 300ZX brakes with some, these are brembo, but don't let that make you think they're like extremely expensive. They're actually not, because they're just brembo blanks, but super sick nonetheless. The Villains high angle kit, which is really sick because this is like 10 degrees off a WiseFab for like a third or fourth the price. Gonna be throwing these Fortunato coilovers on there. I believe the 1J is getting here today. If you guys saw the last video I posted, me and Christian going down to Orlando, picked out a new JZ. I had one before that ended up being no good, so was able to get that motor back, and now I got a new one coming from JDM Orlando. Looks really good. We went over it in that video, did the compression test, looked super good on it. Popped the valve covers off. They look really clean under there. One of the cleanest motors I've seen, so go over that thing probably in another video, tear it down, do all the stuff, all the seals I gotta put back on there, and a bunch of new seals up in that box. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we're gonna get to it. Oh yeah, look at that super sexy Fortunato. I love this blue part up here, it looks so sick with the green. But I'm gonna set the preload on these bad boys and then start to install this stuff. So you can see we got a little buddy helping us here. What's up, Flower? These things don't come with the preload set on them. Like the spring, I can just loosen this up right here, and it's really loose on here. And the way you do that most of the time is the spanner wrenches that come with it are already set to be the right amount. The thickness of them is set for the preload. So what you're gonna do is screw this main collar up, or the shock bottom, seat, whatever you wanna call it. You're gonna screw that up till the shock gets like hand tight, then bring the lock collar into it, and then once that's there, you're then gonna screw the top collar more and more until you can just fit this in between the two of them, and then that's the right amount of preload on the shock. Bring up the locking collar, lock it, and you're done. The 1J did show up. Everything looks to be good, except kind of a little bit of a big issue. Not catastrophic, but I'm not sure when it happened. The oil pan is really smushed in, so I'm not sure if the shipping company did that. Since I don't really know where it came from, I can't really blame anybody, but I'm gonna have to put a new oil pan on here, which isn't the end of the world, but it's just one more thing, you know, you gotta do. It's all good, that'll be fine. So if you wanna see more on the 1J, we did all that in that video, did the compression test, all that sort of stuff, and I'll probably put that at the end screen of this video if you wanna go check it out. It's a different day now. I spent the day yesterday just finishing up on this side and pulling the transmission off the 1J, getting it on the stand, all that sort of thing, and I'll put a little montage of that right now. So did that yesterday, got this side finished up, and now I'm about to move on over to filling in this giant hole of nothingness over here, and I'll probably put in a montage right about now. Steering angle looks really baller with the brakes on here. Now you can actually kind of see how much steering angle it is, and I think it might actually have a tiny bit more than this, because pretty sure when this thing sits on the ground, or maybe when the height's adjusted differently, it might actually have more steering angle than this, because this would be further up because right now it's hitting on this little bit of a lip right here, but if it's hitting on the side of this, it actually could probably gain a little bit more actually. So I'm curious to see if it's different when it's sitting on the ground, but either way, looks really sick. Super excited to actually go drive this thing, but yeah, looks freaking dope. I gotta turn the fan off because it might mess up this audio. That stinks because it's freaking hot in here. This side is done. Looks super sick with these brake lines you guys probably saw me put in. Not 100% sure if I remember filming that or not, but finally getting to see this thing actually coming together instead of getting just torn apart. Really excited on it. I'm about to start working on the 1J that's out there. Gotta pull it in here. I think that's gonna probably do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you wanna see more, hit that subscribe button down below. And I never talk about this on my channel, but YouTube's weird, so hit that bell if you actually wanna subscribe. It's kinda stupid, but I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.